We're back with the lead code practice session. So let's start with the easy problem for now. So the first problem was invert binary tree, and it's from the easy bucket. The question is pretty much simple and clear, as we have to just invert the binary tree. So invert over here is like we have to create a mirror image of the binary tree. Like if we have a mirror over here, then we have to replace 2 with 7 and then 7 with 2. And similarly to the other childs, like we have to make the right child to the left and the left to the right. Simpler mirror image. So you can be much clear if you see the example over here. So I guess there won't be any question regarding the problem statement, or if is there any questions, then please go ahead and ask. Anyone? Okay, fine. So anyone who tried solving this question, or who wants to tell his or her approach? Okay, fine. So I tried solving this question with the simple uh, like recursion, and then what I'm doing is basically let's say we have this node, then it has two child like 2 and 7. So I'm just replacing the address of the left one with the right and the right one with the left with using a temporary variable. So basically I'm swapping the left address and the right address so that I can reverse the uh, invert the binary tree. So it's a basic recursion and then a swapping. So I guess this is one of the approach. And with this approach, I like got like 100% accuracy with this. So anyone who wait, so like I had 0 millisecond for one time. I'm getting 4 milliseconds right now. Okay, fine. So any other approaches who would like to suggest for this problem?
Hello,
Yes, Tanmay.
I'm Tanmay. Okay. Yeah, your approach is like this is what I did, but I just added a few more cases. As in, I just returned back from the leaf node firstly, and secondly, I checked for the nodes wherein I'm having only the left child or only the right child. So I just handled those cases differently. So my code, like, I guess the code will work faster then.
Okay, so I don't know why I'm getting like 64% right now, because I once I submitted it, I got 0 millisecond. So I guess maybe some issue over here.
Maybe some more test cases are added.
Yeah, this could happen. Like I just submitted 6 hours ago, then like within 6 hours.
Yeah.
Yeah, now now it's giving me 100%. Like, don't know why. Fine. So can we discuss like any more variations with this question? Like if the tree is not a binary tree, what approach we will go for? Anyone? Okay, fine. So I guess there are no more other solutions like you guys have for now, or any other variations or approaches. So
For
can
an NRE tree, how will like we solve this?
Yeah, that what my question is. Like, I don't know how to
Uh, I have
approach
an
this.
approach. We'll go through the level order and then we'll find the middlemost element. Actually, initially we need to find the width of each level, right? For that thing.
Yeah,
Mm. Yeah, we could do it by level order. We'll like know how many children are is a node having. Then using that array, we can reverse it and then recreate the tree again. But if we have to do it in this tree only, then
like let's say in this situation only we have three children, like 1, 5, and 3 of 2. Then what? Like, can you give us a diagram for your code? Like,
I'm just thinking. What I'm saying is, for in case, let's say um, I'm having a child array of two that's containing one, 5 and 3, right?
yeah,
So I get the size of array that's what we say 3, and I know that the middlemost element is at my first position. So basically, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna reverse the children. Like I'll make that array as 3, 5, 1, and then I'll reconstruct the tree again
okay.
from the
So
level order.
you mean like you create an intermediate array with this, then you will reverse that.
Yeah, something like this. I don't
Okay.
know if this is gonna work or not. Not sure.
Yeah, this will work. Like, if this 4 has two childs and we stored in some auxiliary array, and then we reverse that, and then yeah, this approach might work.
Basically, the approach we'll have to do it from the bottom side, like while returning. We can't do it while iterating, like going downwards. Because if we change the children and then we again do it, we are like reversing left and right again and
Yeah, yeah,
again.
yeah, yeah. So like getting to the bottom and then traversing upwards.
Yeah, doing it while returning.
Fine.
Anyone else having an approach? I don't know.
Okay, cool. So anyone who would like to question something or tell his or her approach?
In the other way, you can approach engineering
Your
discussion.
voice is like breaking down. Can you be loud?
Yeah. Okay, let me try to. Yeah. Can you hear me now?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Sorry, I'm in a bus, so that's why I want to talk less. But anyway, for this second variation, suppose magically, recursively, we have the solution for left side of the subtree. Similarly, you have the right side of subtree solution already. Now you may have like 10 children, like instead of just left and right children, right? So your signature would be most likely you have a node and it has a list of children. Let's start from 1 to 10. So now you can pair up that, okay, in the place of first children, you are like swapping the 10 children uh, back and forth. You go up to n by 2, um, and all the swap is done. And finally, you return the 3 rows. So the code in structure will be the same, and it will be very much like instead of left and right child, now you are listing it with index. But the same logic is going to work. Is it
And your voice is like breaking down a lot. So
okay? Sorry, again later.
okay, you can post your approach in the chat. Like, it would be better for us. Okay, so like I'm moving to the next question. Like, anyone who want to ask a question or approach anything. Cool.